Welcome to Marble and Rosemary. This is going to be your place where you can find me, and we're going to make beautiful food. We're going to make memories. We're going to do party ideas and entertaining and even the holidays. It's going to be so much fun. We're going to do restaurant reviews and product reviews, and we're maybe even going to travel the world. So subscribe, and I'll see you soon. All right, so I'm here in Savannah.
That's so funny, right? It should have been.
Oh, so good. You gotta try it. Okay, so I'm here at one of my most favorite restaurants in Hawaii, and all right, so I'm here in Bellevue, Washington. This is my hometown. Incredible, so yummy. Now that I've started, I don't know that I'll be able to stop. Okay, so you're probably asking yourself, why am I doing this? And you know what it really comes down to is that I love family. I love parties. I love celebrating. I love gathering together, because sometimes it's just those tiny little things, those little touches that really just say, I love you. It doesn't cost more money. It's just a tiny little special thing. So come and join me around the table and subscribe, and let's make wonderful memories together.